The iPhone is reliable, but it still has some annoying issues. Here's how to fix them. First, paste text without formatting. Ever copied text from Safari or ChatGPT and found it pasted with weird fonts or colors? Here's a quick fix. When you long press in your email and select Paste and Match Style, if you don't see it, immediately tap the little arrow in the context menu. This pastes your text in your email's default style, clean and consistent. Second, fix a sideways video. You started recording vertically, then turned your phone sideways, mid-shot. Now your landscape video is stuck in portrait. No problem. Open the video in Photos. At the bottom, tap Edit. Trim until the moment you flipped your phone. After that, tap Done and save the video. Then, tap Crop. At the top left, tap Rotate icon. Until the orientation looks right, tap Done. Now it plays perfectly in landscape mode. 3. Disruptive call alerts. Do incoming calls interrupt your work by taking over the entire screen? You can change that. Go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap Apps. Then again scroll down, and tap on the phone. Select Incoming Calls. Switch between banner and full screen. Banner alerts let you keep using your phone without interruptions. And under Announce Calls, you can decide when your iPhone says the caller's name, always. Headphones only, or never. Fourth, accidental camera control. On the iPhone 16 and 17 series, the new camera control button can trigger the camera accidentally, especially when holding the phone in your right hand. To fix it, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Camera. Then select Camera Control. Change single click to double click. Optionally, enable Require Screen On to avoid pocket activations. Fifth, Safari address bar location. If you don't like Safari's compact tab layout on iOS 26, you can change it. In the Settings, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. Again, scroll and look for Safari. Click on it. Scroll to the Tabs section. Choose Bottom or Top to move the address bar to your preferred position. Try both and see which one feels right. Sixth, Shake to Undo glitch. If your iPhone keeps triggering this Shake to Undo alert accidentally, you can disable it. Go to the Settings app. Scroll and click on Accessibility. Again, scroll and tap Touch. Then, toggle off Shake to Undo. To undo text manually, tap with 3 fingers. You'll see options for undo. Cut, copy, and paste. Seventh, persistent badge notifications. Those red dots that refuse to disappear? You can remove them permanently. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap Notifications. Again, scroll and select App. After that, turn off the badges. Here you can see the app icon without distracting red badge numbers. Eighth, ringer volume confusion. If your volume buttons are changing the ringtone volume instead of media volume, here's the fix. In Settings, click on Sounds and Haptics. Then turn off Change with Buttons. Now, volume keys control only music and videos, not your ringtone. Ninth, macro mode switching. Does your camera changing to macro mode automatically then? Go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Camera. Again, scroll to the bottom. Enable Macro Control. Next time, a flower icon appears on screen. Tap it manually to switch modes. 10th, Screenshot Preview Change. In iOS 26, screenshots now skip the small preview and jump straight into edit mode. Prefer the old way? In the Settings, tap on General. Scroll down and select Screen Capture. Turn off full screen previews. Now you'll get the old thumbnail view again. 11th, autofill password glitch. When Safari doesn't recognize a login field, don't waste time switching apps. Just long press in the username box. A pop-up will appear. Tap autofill and select passwords. It will verify your Face ID. After that, choose your saved account. And your iPhone fills it automatically. Which one annoyed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more Apple tips.